Hello guys, come with us for this 2 hours and 30 minutes walking tour in the old city of Jaipur or Jaipur with the local experts. You always see cows and pigeons on the street of India. Cow and pigeons are sacred to Hindu and Buddhist. For this 2 hours and 30 minutes walk tour, we're sampling some of the region's culinary delights from some of the city's most popular street food vendors.
It's called Indian ice cream?
Yeah, Indian ice cream kulfi.
You can see the green pistachios here. And another one is called walnut sweet. And how you prepare them is that you heat the milk continuously. When all the water is evaporated, the solid part which is left behind, you add sugar to it and you cook it more. And that's how the milk cake is prepared. In the same process, if you add walnut pieces, in that it's called walnut sweet. And that's paneer. If you have heard of that Scottish cheese or paneer, it is kept on an ice slab to keep it fresh over there, and he is bringing more on the pyramid that way. So if you want to taste a small quantity of milk cake and walnut sweet, I can just buy a small. Guys, have you ever seen this or tasted this before? That's all of these together are called savories in India.
Savory?
Yes, they are all called savories, and we have it for two reasons. Firstly, it's very good for digestion, and then secondly, it completely changes the taste of your mouth. So if your mother forces you to eat something you don't flavor as well.
Very good.
And also it works as an amazing snack with the drinks as well. Sometimes with a glass of beer you can just have that.
That's why I said.
Keep the taste of the mouth changed and keep having more beer. You won't get back to you. of India. These are very popular.
Now we are exploring the local artisans, jewelers, and workshop.
The bangles are made up of lacquer. It comes out of the tree as the gums and resins comes out from the lacquer tree. You heat it up, which they are doing right now. Then you make a straight tube and then you join them in a round shape in a form of a bangle. That way. And that's exactly what he is doing with his instruments and the things around. If you can see closely, that's
This is very common to see a monkeys in the city in India, so don't be surprised. We're heading to the fabric market. Here you will find different kind of fabrics, from simple looks to the extravaganza elegant looking. This is the place for the brides and groom to get their wedding clothes tailored.
there. So he's putting that yellow border on the cloth over here. With the leg, you move that straddle and the pedal and the machine. So I just want to show you some amazing tailors. The cloth is then tied up with the bridal attire, and they take 7 rounds around the fire. And that's the most important ceremony when the wedding is completed, which means it's a knot tied forever, and they take 7 rounds around the fire. And then it is believed they are married to each other. And this piece of cloth shall always match the bridal attire.
I hope this video inspire you. I would strongly recommend hiring a local guide to educate and explain what you are seeing and experiencing. If you have a question about Jaipur, comment below and I will answer it as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in my next video.